Hi friends, let's start preparing this fish. So I'm gonna start by cutting our fish in two. And I like to go back on with a knife because me personally, I don't want to bite on the scale while enjoying my fish. Okay, so for the seasoning, I'm going to have some garlic powder, some paprika, smoked paprika, some black pepper, and some Reiko, which is optional. Now I'm going to cut my lemon, half of it. The other one we're going to be using it after cooking our fish. Yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix them. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in some salt, a little bit because the Reiko has salt in it. Yeah, I have a feeling that when you put them in when you marinate your fish and you put it in the oil, some of the seasoning come off. But at least we remain with a few of it. Okay, now at this point, if you want, you can add in ginger powder, you can add in onion powder. Yeah, you can use the seasonings that you prefer the most. Now we're going to get our fish, and then we're going to start covering it with the actually I'm going to put it here. Okay, I'm going to do a little. Now we're going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and cover it with foil paper and let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. So while my fish is marinating, I'm going to serve this with cassava. Okay, so I'm just cutting off the stem. Then I'm going to go ahead and peel it. I've seen so many ways of peeling cassava, but in my land, this is how we do it. Okay, after peeling it, you then do this. I don't know how it's called. Yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut it in two halves. And then in two smaller cubes. Then cut out the stem. So now after cleaning our cassava, I'm going to go ahead and add in half onion. Okay. To our cassava, and then a little bit of salt, of course. And then we're going to bring it to boil. So now while my cassava is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make some kachumbari. Okay. Now for the onion, one little tip: if you don't want it to be too strong, you can soak it in warm water, hot water, or you can put it in fridge for about few minutes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some lemon juice in my little tin here. Add 3 teaspoons of oil. Then of course salt. Add some green herbs for flavor, or you can use coriander if you have that. We're gonna add it to our tomatoes and onion and then mix it well. So I think our cassava is done. Okay, don't want to overcook it. So next thing is I'm going to drain it. So now it's time to fry our fish. Okay. So when it comes to what you can eat with your fish, you can go with whatever you want. You can go with sweet potato deep fried. You can go with cassava like I did. You can eat it plain like that with kachumbari. Yeah, Guten Appetit, Bon Appetit. Enjoy. Our meal is done. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed day. Cheers.